Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Welcome to another day, another vlog, e-vlog. Good. As we are cruising on this chilly Monday. It's definitely not a warm day, and it's a Monday. It's like a lot of things are going on that are unpleasant right now. It's early Monday morning. I got a busy day ahead, and it's cold, you know. But it happens. It happens. Luckily today, I have one icky task to take care of first, and then I have a couple of other tasks that are just straightforward. So I'm gonna take care of the icky task first, and then zone out and be a little human computer at my job and listen to some audiobooks. I'm listening to Jack Ryan still, so that's pretty fucking good. Dude, you're gonna fucking go in a tiny ass fucking Suzuki? These people are gonna make me miss my light. That was a tight turn. That was a tight turn. What can I say? I need a little more speed in my life, and then I'll be able to not have my windshield foggy up. Look at these folks. What is this fucking guy doing? Don't want a foggy windshield now. That's fine. This is fine. I like this. Anywho, today, this weekend was really good. There was MotoGP involved, so that was good. Formula 1. I didn't finish the Formula 1 race, unfortunately. I finished the MotoGP, but not Formula 1. So I still got that tonight. Unfortunately, I know who wins. I didn't even have to guess who won. It's like Leclerc, that fucking new Ferrari dude. He's an animal. If you guys haven't seen that that Formula 1 documentary on Netflix, you should really check it out. That's a good one. It's a really good one. But Formula 1 was good. MotoGP was good. It was like not a very surprising race. It was a little bit boring. No, it was a really good race for the second and third, because Marcus took off and is like 10 seconds ahead. It's 2 lanes, bro. 2 fucking lanes. Fucking dumb chick. Well, people are just scared. I can see how people could be scared to drive. And there's a cop over there, so you know, a lot of frightening things. Anyway, I wanted to talk about something today on the vlog, but now I'm not so sure because the traffic is kind of intense. I had a topic. Usually I do like an intro first, and then my intro was too long. So now I'm literally forced to do this shit. So we'll see. We shall see. Nice. Beautiful. That's what I like to see. Stuck in traffic. All good. Not a big deal. Not a big potato. Not a big baked potato. Barclay Center. This is the worst lane to be in. I made a mistake. I made a terrible mistake. But it's okay. It's alright. Thank you. Thank you, man. Oh, what a weird vlog. I completely forgot about the joys of traffic on this Monday morning. But I'm cruising. Nice and relaxed. No stress. No big moves. The wind is intense though. The wind is kind of wild, crazy. It's freezing again. Go ahead, you can pass me. Front of this fucking thing. Come on, truck. Is there traffic ahead? Is that why you're moving so slow, or are you just being a jerk off? It's probably a combination. Combination of traffic ahead and being a jerk off. Now he's gonna stop and try to blend in. Good, 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 good. Sorry, no topic this vlog. I had a sweet juicy topic about motorcycles and mods. There's gonna be a gas tank question. Too cold, too fucking cold. 31 degrees, that's below freezing. And fucking April 1st. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. And now this asshole is gonna try to blend into the left. Watch. Without a doubt. Without a fucking doubt. Must be kind of cold to be working as a construction worker right now. It's a beautiful building here. I like it. It's okay. This guy was in front as well, so we did not get too crazy. But yeah, this weekend I got to ride the new Scrambler, the Triumph 1200 Scrambler. That thing was smooth as fuck. That thing was smooth. That was nice. I could see how that bike is a joy. That guy was letting everybody go. That's not the kind of situation I'm into. I don't know what's going on here, but no idea. I guess they're building out. They're going to be building a big building here. So, all right. Oh, now you're turning. Thank you for sharing there, ma'am. What is happening? I'm not exactly sure. Not exactly sure what she's doing, so I'm just gonna leave her alone. Leave her alone. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hi, boys and girls. I will talk to you later. I'm gonna park this machine. I'm gonna take care of some business. And after that, I'll probably talk to you again. How does that sound? Does that sound like a ticket that's hot, or at least warm? A warm ticket? Does that sound like a warm ticket? Could park there, but I'm just not so sure. Could probably park right over here. No. Nope. Nah. But that's a spot. That's a spot. We'll figure it out though. I'm not too worried at this juncture. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That could be a nice spot here.